Hey guys, welcome to Henry channel. In this video we have this iPhone 11 Pro Max and I'm going to show you how you can enter recovery mode on this phone. So here we go. So guys, simply just power off the phone. Hold the volume down key and the power button together to switch off the phone. Once the phone is turned off, hold the side button and the volume up key together and insert your USB cable into your phone, which should be connected to your PC, and keep holding both of the keys. That's it guys, that's how you can enter recovery mode in iPhone 11 Pro Max. So that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.